Hi guys, welcome back to Bacon Style. So today we're going to be making coffee cake. This is going to be really fun, and I love coffee cake. My whole family loves coffee cake. It's going to taste really good. So first, what you will need will be flour, granulated sugar and light brown sugar, cinnamon, and butter. It should be at room temperature, but not like squishy. It should be more firm, but still kind of soft, just not like really squishable. I'll put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. And this is just for the streusel, like what makes it really like the coffee cake part. So after this we'll do the muffin. So first, what you want to do is take a stand mixer with the paddle attachment and combine your flour, both your sugar, and your cinnamon. And then again with the paddle attachment, you just want to mix it until it's all combined for about 1 minute. Okay, so once that's all done, you just want to add in your butter and mix that again on low speed until it's all combined. It should be moist, but also clumpy because it's not squishy, so it should be a little clumpy still. Again, on low speed for about 2 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes, and now I think that looks pretty good. So I'm going to grab a spatula to get everything off of the attachment, and then we're just going to put it in a separate bowl because for the muffin we need the paddle and also the stand mixer. So I'll be right back with muffins and what we need. Okay, so now it's time to make the muffin. So what we need for that is flour, sour cream, granulated sugar, butter at room temperature, this time it should be soft, eggs, baking powder, and vanilla extract. Again, I'll put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. So first, what you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line 2 muffin tins with, actually this time 16. So I just have 16 lined right here. And you just want to line them and spray them, or with these you could also just not use the liners and just spray them for this. So basically the third thing you want to do is combine your sour cream, vanilla extract, and eggs. So I'm going to set these things aside. I might need a bigger bowl. You want to whisk this together until it's not clumpy anymore. So now it's there's no clumps and it's nice and smooth. So now what we want to do, again, just like our first step with the streusel topping, we want to, with a stand mixer and a paddle attachment, combine our flour, sugar, and baking powder. Okay, so I ended up adding, like, I don't know what it is, but it's like it works as a barrier so that none of the flour gets out. So now we just want to gently fold in our egg mixture, egg and sour cream mixture, into the flour, sugar, baking powder, and butter. Or just the flour. I think that's looking pretty good. Now, I'm just going to start with this one. We want to place a small scoop of batter into this, so about like a little less than 1/3 full. I'm going to get, actually I'm going to try using this little spatula to do it. And then using a little spoon. Or I should probably do this thing. Okay, so this ended up making 24. So that was a lot more than 16. And so originally I was going to say 26 to 27 minutes. So right now I'm going to just start with 28. 28 minutes. Because it's more. So I'm just going to start with that and go from there. So I'd say like 27 to like 30 minutes. Okay, so I just took the muffins out of the oven and they look amazing. And I bet they will taste great. So now I'm just going to wait about 5 minutes and then I'm going to take them out of the pans. Okay, so now I'm just going to take these out of pans. So add that there. So I also just sprinkled a little extra streusel on top just to make it more coffee cakey. Okay, so now we can just let these cool completely. They're really hot right now, but I'm super excited, and I will see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!